to Boston, lives in a world she's lost in, victim of compromise. He's staring at her Aberdeen heart, London eyes, Glasgow bones. She's a whistle in the catacombs, a paradox. He's in love with the statue in a marble block. He's in love with the girl that time forgot.
So hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you few enduro tricks and how to become better rider. So I'm not profi, but I have some skills. So now it's windy day, it's cold, I have jacket on me. So first what you need to do is have warm fingers to have better clutch control, also throttle. So you can do like this to get it warm, and then you need to stretch it on the handlebar, so like this, or just on with your other hand. So you need to do that for 5 minutes. Then the next thing, because it's wet, you see it's slippery down, so you need adjust the tire pressure. So this is too much, so you need to find something. Inside this I have this tire, I have the tubeless, so I can easily adjust the pressure. So the pressure needs to be low because it will allow you more grip. So I think something, so this is perfect. Also, if you have too much low pressure, it's not easy to do riding, because then the tire is going to left to right on the wheel, and yeah, it's wanting just to go forward and not turning the bike. So yeah, also for technique, the bike needs to be soft. So now we have uphill, and then you need to open the throttle small amount like this, and then you need to let the clutch out to get the feeling of the bike, and move your body on the fender, put the feet down left and right, and do it. Now you can feel the balance. It's slipping the clutch. So yeah, that is the first training. Forward, body front, and body on the rear. Oh ho ho. So look this. So on the wheelie, so you see, just play with the bike. So this next technique is nothing special, it's just like first one. Also, to play with the bike, you need to go on the back, so you can touch with the feet on the ground, and then you need to release the clutch and give some throttle, so the bike will lift, and bike will go under you, so you don't have any pressure on the bike anymore. So it's good because on extreme stuff in enduro you will get often in this problem. So go forward and pull. You see, but just use the bike power. So this is the pivot turn without sitting on the bike. Just pull the bike on the left and give it some throttle and release the clutch. So you see. So this is the perfect balance with the clutch and throttle. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you how to do the pivot turns without sitting on the bike. So this is good for the short people because some people can't reach the ground when they are sitting on the bike. So yeah, just first gear. So what you need to do now is also find uphill. You can turn the handlebar to get it more easy, but for me it's almost the same how I do it. Just lean the bike on the side what you want to turn, and you need release the clutch and use some throttle. And don't be scared, because sometimes it's really strange feeling when you have the bike wheeling behind to you. So yeah, and just play with the clutch when the bike is in air. So whoa. And it's a really useful technique when you are in hard terrain and you have the short legs. Sorry for my bad English, I hate it, but yeah, I need to learn it. So the best bike. So the next technique is to play with the balance. You need to find also small uphill, it's more easy. Put the front wheel towards the uphill, and then it's easy. When you lean to this side, you need to give throttle and release the clutch to get it again in balance. When you are starting to lean to left, you need to release the throttle and use the clutch to get back, so you get also back in the center. You can use the front brake, the rear one. It depends what is more easy for you, but most of the time I just brake and go forward with the clutch and throttle. Also the body position is very important, play with that. So let's start. You see, just playing with the clutch. and you see, just with the clutch. So with this you get feeling for the clutch also, and throttle also with the body position when you are standing. So it's the body position is different when you stand when you sit to the bike. So this will give you more confidence when you go on uphill with the loose rocks. And yeah, it's also really good to have it when you need to do like starting uphill from no run up. So yeah, so some downhills are not possible to ride down, so you need to jump it like this one. So I'm going to show you how it really steep it is. So you see, this one is not possible to ride down. Only what is going to happen, you're going to fly over the handlebar. So this is also looking from down really easy, but it's not. Yeah, but now it's okay, but before it was from 90 degrees. So yeah, so I'm going to show you a few techniques how to do it. Here you have few techniques what you can use. First one is to hit with the front wheel, and I'm going to show you how. So hit it first and then give more throttle to get you just up. And that was without the clutch. I'm going to now to show you how I do it the most of time with the clutch. So I hit it more hard. Oh yeah. This was my style, and the last style what you can use, it's to wheel it over it. So you need to lift the front up and hit it with the rear one. But sometimes if you're going really fast and you don't have the front wheel up, you can crash over the handlebar. So yeah, this was the wheelie technique. So again, the wheelie technique, front wheel up, and you see you lose the front on the top, so because you hit really hard with the rear one. And this was my technique. So hitting it with the front and then give it more throttle with the clutch. So this was a side drop off. It's really useful because it's more easy to do, because you fly less in the air. Also, by the way, I forgot to ask you what you think about my last video, the enduro yoga. Super strange. So always clean the suspension because it's important.